Welcome to the MS English. Today we are going to learn types of adjectives in a very simple and smart way. Descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective describes the quality of a noun. Examples: happy, tall, beautiful, etc. She is a beautiful girl. In this sentence, beautiful is a descriptive adjective. Quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective shows quantity. Examples: some, much, little, etc. I have some water. In this sentence, some is a quantitative adjective. Numerical adjective. Numerical adjective shows number or order. Examples: 1, 2, first, second, etc. She has 2 books. In this sentence, the word 2 is a numerical adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective points out specific nouns. Examples: this, that, these, those, etc. This pen is mine. In this sentence, the word this is a demonstrative adjective. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective shows ownership. Examples: my, your, his, her, our, etc. This is my bag. In this sentence, the word my is a possessive adjective. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective is used to ask questions. Examples: which, what, whose, etc. Which book is yours? In this sentence, the word which is an interrogative adjective. Distributive adjective. Distributive adjective refers to each member individually. Examples: each, every, either, neither, etc. Each student is ready. In this sentence, the word each is a distributive adjective. Proper adjective. Proper adjective is formed from proper nouns. Examples: Indian, Bengali, American, etc. She loves Indian food. In this sentence, the word Indian is a proper adjective. Quick revision. Descriptive adjective quality. Quantitative adjective quantity. Numerical adjective number. Demonstrative adjective pointing. Possessive adjective ownership. Interrogative adjective question. Distributive adjective one by one. Proper adjective from proper noun. Ending question for you. Identify the adjective type. Each student has 2 books. Comment your answer. Like this video, comment your answer, subscribe to the MS English, follow our Facebook page, the MS English for daily English tips.